Hey friends, welcome back, and in this video you will learn about ad extension in Google Ads. So what is ad extension and why you should use it, how much they cost, and the type of ad extension you can use in Google Ads. So friends, my name is Viren Negi, and if you're looking for any help and consultation, do check out my website adonwebs.com. So what is ad extension? It's basically an ad feature that show extra information with your ad, like phone number or maybe site link, service type or price. So this information can be show with along with your ad. So let me show you a real example. So this is the I search for health insurance, and you can see here this is the site link, and again this is the site link, and this is again the deal extension, promotion extension you can show with your Google Ads. And if I scroll it down, you can see more extension. So from here, this might be a call out ad extension which you can show with a Google Ad. So generally the ad copy is only basically a two description. So this might be start from here to here only. So if he is not using any ad extension, then this information will be displayed with this title only. But he is using some ad extension, then he can we can see his ad like this. And same goes with this one. So this is the site link extension which displayed here. Let me go back to my Google Ad account. So this is my Google Ad account, and I just click on one of my ad. So these are the information which can be displayed when you are running Google Ad. If you are not using any ad extension, so this title and this title with this description only get displayed. But if you are using ad extension like I am using here, two site link and one call to action and the type of service type I am using here. So these are the ad extension which are very helpful when you are running ad, and you can show some extra information in Google Ad. So when these extension will show, so these can be played when Google think it will improve your performance, or your ad position or ad rank is high, then ad extension can be displayed. So Google automatically so Google based on these conditions decide whether it's going to show ad extension or not. So why you should use ad extension? I mean, simple. It will improve your ad visibility and make your ad more appealing. Okay, and you tend to get more clicks when you're using ad extension. So let me clearly show this. If you can differentiate here, so let me put my profile here. This ad is looking more appealing than this one. So if I'm searching for this one, I'm always gonna click this first than this one. So this is how you can make your ad more appealing. And if I scroll a bit again, so let me scroll to the bottom. So again, if you were to click on some of the ad, so this is look like more appealing to me, and I'm gonna click this ad. So this is how users generally search for on something on Google. And if you find your ad more appealing, then he gonna click on your ad. And if you're gonna click on your ad, then you're gonna get more sales. It's more click means more sale. If you're getting no click, you won't get any sales. So showing ad means you want to get more clicks. So if you want to get more clicks, then you need to use Google Ad Extensions. Now, how much they cost? I mean, they cost nothing. So it's free. Google won't charge you for showing Google Ad Extension. But let me clear you one thing. Google can charge you for single search 2 times. So let me clear this thing here. Okay, let's say I search for health insurance. So I might be click here and open this in new window. Then I click on again here. Okay. So if I hold my control key and click on this headline, and then I can click on the site link as well. So Google gonna charge this 2 times. Okay. This is the maximum time Google gonna charge for one impression. So this is on one impression, and it will be charged by 2 times. So this is the maximum time Google can charge you. But generally people don't do that. Then we will click on your ad and then go to your website. There's no way they can click 2 times on your ad. So only some smart user can, click on 2 times. So what are the type of extension you can use in Google Ad? So let me show you in my existing campaign. So to navigate to Google Ad extension, so you need to select the campaign. So you can use it either campaign wise, or you can use either it ad group wise. So either you can use it in ad group, so from here, or either you can use through the campaign. So let me go to the campaign, click on plus. So I'm already using some ad extension. So let me zoom this out. These are the ad extension we can use. Site link, call out, structure snippet, call extension, lead form extension. This is new. Location extension, affiliate, location extension, price extension, app extension, and this is promotion extension. So these all kind of extension we can use in Google Ads. So friend, stay with me. I'll be explaining all these video in upcoming videos, and explaining how you can check the report in Google Ads all these three extension, and I'll be showing you some tips in the upcoming videos as well. So friend, in the next videos I'll be explaining you about all these extension, how you can use it, and how you can check reporting of all these extensions. So friend, this is it in this video. I'll show you in the next video about the site extension, how you can use it, and how you can set up the site extension in Google Ads. And friends, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. So friend, this is it in this video. See you in the next video about the site extension. And thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.